Hello friends, welcome to a world of endless creativity where your imagination meets the power of CapCut. If you've ever wanted to turn your ordinary videos into extraordinary masterpieces, you're in the right place. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the art of video editing with CapCut PC. In this video, I will share 10 main points, and don't forget the 6th and the 8th point. These are the most important one of CapCut Video Editing Beginner's Guide to Mastering Video Editing with Ease. Before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Let's dive into the video, exploring the interface. When you launch CapCut, you'll be greeted by the welcoming initial screen. Here, you can access previous projects, assign it if you want, and start a new project. If you want to tweak project settings, find the gear icon in the top right corner. This menu lets you customize various aspects like project location by pressing the little folder here. From here, you can change the image durations, you can change the video resolution, and more. Let's dive deeper into CapCut's video editing interface. This is the CapCut video editing interface. At the top, you'll find media, audio, text, and more. Clicking on an item reveals its settings and options below. If we move down in this section, the next one across here is the video player. This is where you preview your video and access additional details. On the right side, we can see the project settings, where you can customize resolution, color space, and more. Most settings can stay as adapted. This is the timeline, the core of your editing, where you arrange clips, transitions, effects, and more. Icons at left let you undo, redo, split, etc. On the right side, we have Magnet Tool, Snapping Tool, Linkage Tool, and Preview Tool. With these tools, you don't have to watch full video. You can see the preview of the video, and with Magnet Tool, you don't have to drag the video manually. Let's move up to the next point, how to import footage. Now let's bring in your footage. Click Import. I will select some videos before adding. Double-click to preview clips. It will save your time, and then simply drag them onto the timeline. After that, for trimming the video, drag the end of the clip or use the blade tool by pressing Ctrl-B for precise cuts. Changing the aspect ratio is simple. You can switch between ratios like 9:16 for Instagram stories or leave it as original to maintain imported clips ratios. I will leave it as default. Editing footage. Start by removing bad takes and unwanted parts by dragging the video, or use the blade tool Ctrl-B to cut precisely. For zoom of the video, click right up here on scale and adjust the video, or you can also make a smooth zoom effect by clicking on the scale keyframe at first keyframe and starting of the video, and second one in the last of the video, and you can see a zoom effect. Use audio waveforms to identify speech or sound, and you can also use keyframe to increase or decrease the volume at a certain point. Next one, adding B-roll. Adding overlay footage is easy. I'm going to come back up the top here, make sure media is selected. We're going to choose import it from the media library and drag it onto the timeline, creating a new video layer for mixing. Like if you are talking about cars, so you can add a car overlay. How to add text. For adding text, you have to click on text and drag the default text into timeline and adjust it with the same length of the video. Now from here, you can change the text, you can change the size, color, position, and there are some presets as well. Right down here, you can add stroke, background, glow, and shadow. CapCut offers text templates to customize. Drag text onto the timeline. Next one is adding transitions. Transitions polish your videos. Drag transitions between clips, but avoid overusing them. By clicking on animation, you can use an out and combo animation on the timeline. Consider zoom cuts for smoother transitions. How to add effects. CapCut provides various effects on the top left. Apply them directly to clips or the entire timeline. Be creative, but avoid overwhelming your video. Subtle adjustments often work best. For adding audio, click the audio and there you have a bunch of templates of music, sound effect, and you can also extract the audio from your own files, import audio files, place them on a separate audio layer, and balance audio levels using keyframes. Use noise reduction tool right here for clean audio. How to adjust colors. Click right next to the animation on adjustment. From here, you can change the video colors for the whole video. For applying the colors on a specific part of the video, you have to click on adjustment, use adjustment layers for uniform. Color grading and drag the custom adjustment layer on the video, and you can change colors of the layers. You can also use preset filters, apply filters on video. Now your color grade is done. If you want to add captions, there's really amazing tool, auto captions. CapCut simplifies captioning with auto captioning. For adding auto captions, go to the text menu and select auto captions. Wait for a while and customize style and positioning to match your video's aesthetics. How to export and sharing. Finally, your masterpiece is ready. Click on export. You can change video location, choose resolution and settings. I will leave it as default and save or share on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Conclusion. Congratulations, you completed our beginner's guide to CapCut. Remember, practice makes perfect. Dive in, experiment, and create captivating videos that wow your audience. Happy editing! And make sure to like and subscribe channel and share the video with your friends. Now, if you're wanting to know how to download CapCut on PC or Mac, watch my previous video. See you in the next video.